Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola G14 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Following that, in order to use it, you need to set it up. Let's start with an Android. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then close it by tapping on OK and select Close in white pop-up at the top. Finally, to get rid of personalization pop-up, you can click on History at the bottom of both devices. And then select wherever you wish to decide if you want to personalize your ad experience. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window. And then select Receive next to History at the bottom of an Android. Now Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Also on Motorola, you can use all of those categories available at the top to select multiple files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, you need to select Allow a couple of times. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key by typing in Input section all of those numbers in correct order. When you're done, just click on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!